For Unilock in 2023 and beyond, and part of my goal is to really bring on board for Unilock the newer generation of contractors. Not to say that the old school way doesn't work, it does, but there's always been new research, new technologies that have come about to really help our industry out. Rich, thanks for taking the time to sit down with me this morning. 2023 is going to be a great year for us coming out of the gate, not only with our new products, but the seminars that we're going to really change up to differentiate ourselves from everybody else, to really educate the contractor.
Awesome.
And instead of just letting them sit there and listen to us talk, we want to educate them. So we can give them the skills when they go out to actually sell our product.
Exactly.
And that's going to go a long way.
Yeah, that's awesome what you're doing with the new contractors, especially coming in the game. If you could help them from start to finish on these, just so they know what they're doing. Basically talking business with them would be huge too, from profits, from starting a business.
To run a business is challenging.
Exactly.
And that's the educational piece that we really got to work on.
Yeah.